Hello everybody, and it's time for a lift tour. And today I'm at Auckland Museum. Now I have actually edited the map to remove any information that isn't relevant to the lift tour. This here is all the ground floor. So now we're gonna come in to here and go into the first lift here, which is so this here is the encounter of New Zealand designs and decorative art and the landmarks, and that there is the Auckland atrium. But first we're gonna come in through the grand foyer and go into the first lift here, which is an Otis hydraulic. Here's an Otis lift. Auckland Museum. Come on. Here it is. I'll go up to 2. It's an Otis. Wow, this is fast. Where are you going? Where are you going?
On the ground.
Okay. I hold the doors. Otis.
Papo prenderlo. Just see the body and pop it. Over the way.
So now we're going to come along here and go into the next lift by the shop. This lift is an Otis Gen 2. And at first glance it was thought to have been an Express or a 70s Otis with replaced buttons, but yeah, it is an Otis Gen 2. Here's the next lift to Auckland Museum. There's no indicator. Oh, there's the indicator. But it doesn't work. This is an Otis. Jeez, it's dark in here. I'll take it. This is an Otis Gen 2. Right, we'll go back down to ground. There's our free Mr. Security. the button right. And now into the second to last lifts. These are some Otis Gen 2s that go from floors B1 and B that go from floors B2 up to level 3, but B1 and B2 are staff only. So I only took it between the Auckland meeting. Oh, I never come.
Pardon?
Where are you going?
I'm going to level 1.
I'll go see ya. You go to level 1? Yeah. Which level do you want to go to?
I'm going to level 2.
Level 2?
Yeah.
Is that a film? Or
Yes. Yes, this is just a hobby.
Oh wow. Level 2?
Yeah. Get down to one. Whoa. The last lift which I didn't film was the only lift the last lift which I didn't film was at the other end of the museum near the car park. Now, this was the only lift there that I knew of that wasn't an Otis. This one was a Schindler D-Line MRL. I'm hoping to film it next time if I go there in April or whenever. So yeah, but I can show you some